quick guide to affiliate marketing for beginners. If you're looking to earn passive income online, affiliate marketing is one of the simplest ways to get started. In this video, we'll explain what affiliate marketing is, how it works, and the first steps you should take to start earning commissions. First, affiliate marketing is promoting someone else's product or service and earning a commission for every sale or action generated through your unique link. You don't have to create a product, handle shipping, or provide customer service. You focus on sharing and driving traffic. Next, choose a niche you care about. Focus on topics you know, enjoy, and where an audience already exists. Niches make it easier to build credibility and target the right customers. Research affiliate programs in your niche. Look at payment terms, cookie duration, and product quality. Create valuable content that helps your audience. This can be blog posts, videos, social media posts, emails, or podcasts. Honest, helpful content builds trust and increases conversions. Use your affiliate links naturally and disclose your relationship clearly to comply with rules and keep trust. Drive traffic using SEO, social media, paid ads, and collaborations. Track your results with analytics to learn what converts. Optimize by testing different offers, placements, and calls to action. Remember, affiliate marketing requires patience, consistency, and ethical promotion. Start small, learn from your results, and scale what works. If you take steady steps and focus on helping your audience, affiliate marketing can become a reliable income stream. If you are ready to start your affiliate marketing business, but don't have a product to promote, click the link below, sign up, and begin promoting.